to Algebra 2. This topic is quadratic inequalities. We are going to solve one or two problems about quadratic inequalities. It's very simple. It's not complex to do this class. First of all, we are talking about the polynomial inequality. Those can be written as for example, fx greater than 0, or fx greater or equals than 0, fx less than 0, or fx less or equals than 0, where fx is a polynomial. Okay, this is our problem for today. Solve for x minus 4 times x plus 6 greater or equals than 0. Since an inequality is not strict and greater or equals, the solution of these polynomials is positive or 0. Okay, the positive or 0. We have to create a sign chart. What is a sign chart? So here we have to create a sign chart. What is that? Using this information like x minus 4 times x plus 6 equals 0. The roots of are 4 and negative 6 and positive. The roots are 4. Let's take it eraser. It's 4 and negative 6. See? Whereas we have a number line like this. It's our number line where negative 6 is right here and 4 is also right here. So the factor, some main points or good points in this, after this, the factors is a very important point. The factor x minus x negative 4 is negative if x is less than 4, and positive if x is greater than 4, x is greater than 4. Another main point, the second one, the factor x plus 6 is negative if x is less than negative 6, and positive if x is greater than negative 6. This is the good points on the roots. I give it to you, the roots, or those numbers, the roots. I want to write here the roots. No, I'm gonna make the chart right now. I don't want to erase this. Let's see if I have enough space right here. I'm gonna make the share the square. Let's see. I'm gonna make it here the table with the information. This table. I'm gonna write the data right here. Here is when x is less than -6. It's the same thing, but I'm gonna make it a table. And then -6 right here, x right here, and then less than 4. Okay, and then here x greater than 4. The first line, the first row. The first row, right here, x minus 4, and then we have also here another row right here. Let's see if I have enough space. Here's x plus 6, and then here x minus 4 times x plus 6. That's right there. Now the signs, look at the signs. It's the same thing when x is when x minus 4, but when x is less than -6, what is this here? What is no, there's a negative, -6 is here is negative. One here is also -2. Here is positive. X minus 4. We are talking about the first one, and look at this. X is less than 4. All the left is negative. So here, let's go over here. Also, when x is negative, if x is less than -6, also here is a negative. But here it's positive. Change. Here is positive, and here is negative, and then positive. So now we are able to get the conclusion from the table. You have all data there to find the answer. So solve for x minus 4 times x plus 6 greater or equals than 0. And the solution here, the solution is the set where the polynomial is positive or 0. So the answer or the solution here, you have x is less or equals than -6, or x greater or equals than 0. That's the solution to this quadratic inequality. Okay. We of course we know different ways to find the answer. You know, this point, different process to solve this problem here. But I'm gonna show you this new way to find the answer. Okay. The most you know how find the answer, the path or the way to find the answer is better. It's like a practice, like when you are in the gym making exercise, different exercise, you get strong. Same thing in mathematics. You must know different ways to find the answer. This is one way to find the answer. This is one method, one way to get the answer. So far this is the answer.